Hello everyone, so we're here from this day 8 in this analysis of these games here in FIDE Women's Grand Prix Phone 2025. So it means day 8 or round number 8 from this one. So it means long game within 1 hour and 30 minutes from this round robin from this chess clocks here from this one. So it means in today's day 8 and also have between from this Grandmaster in China, Zhu Zhener versus International Master in India, Divya Deshmukh from this one. So it means GM Ju is the third place and I am Divya Deshmukh is second place. So who was the win of this day 8 will win. So it means without move by second place here from this one. In today's day 8 here in the study of these videos, we have analyzed here of these chess games in this day 8 FIDE Women's. So white plays Zhu is e4, e5 dash move, knight f3, knight c6, knight c3 is called 3 knights opening. So these are the it means these are the main line here. It also have a bishop to c4. Italian games from this one. So it means knight c3 by Zhu, 3 knights opening, and also 4 knights opening, knight f6 by Deshmukh. So it means knight f6 here. So it means without double by knights by Zhu and double by knights by Deshmukh. So it means it's called 4 knights game. So it means 4 knights game from this one, from these determinations here from this one. And also g3 without move by bishop to g2 or ready by castling by Zhu here from this one. And also bishop c5 by Deshmukh by upcoming castling by Deshmukh. So castle kingside here. And also bishop g2, upcoming castle kingside. And also d6, d3 without defense here from this one. And also a5 without precise move by Deshmukh here. And also castle kingside by Zhu, and also h6 without no more by bishop to g5 here, or maybe no more by knight g5 here from this one, and also h3 no more by bishop to g4 or knight g5 here, and also knight h7. So it means novelty by Deshmukh. So it means the old main line here is also castle kingside and also bishop to e6. So it means good novelty from this one here. So it means new novelty by Deshmukh is knight h7 here, and also king force h2 by Zhu, and also bishop e6, and also knight e2 without precise move by Zhu here from this one, and also bishop backwards a7, and also d4. So it means without d4 by Zhu, without move by pushes by here by d5, without threatening by knights and bishop. So these are the doubles here from this one. And also bishop c4 by Deshmukh without threat by knights. So these are the terminations here from this one. And also push d5 by Zhu without threatening by knights here, without targets here from this one. And also knight e7, and also b3 threatening by bishop, bishop a6 by Deshmukh. So without doubles by bishop here, without doubles by this one here, and also a4 without move by stopping move by a5 by black pieces here from this one, and also f5 by Deshmukh, and also captured knight takes. So these are the without controls by here from this black, and also c4 without defense here, and also castle kingside by Deshmukh without realize here, without determinations here from this one, and also knight c3, and also rook f7 without rook f7 here by Deshmukh, or maybe with a second move by king to d7, or ready by battery. So battery here from this one, and also rook a2, queen d7 by Deshmukh here, by upcoming by battery here without determinations here by battery here, and also knight e4 by Zhu. So it means without move here, or maybe without move forwards here from this one, and battery rook a f8. So it means battery here, and also bishop d2 without target attacks by pawns, without a5, without targets here from this one, and also knight f6 without upcoming by captured by knight, so it means without knight to knights here, and also captured, good move by Zhu, so it means without captured by f6 by check. So these are the check here, so it means without check, or maybe without neutralized by queens here, by determinations here from this one. And also rook takes knights here by dash move here, and also bishop takes captured without one pawn down by here by dash move, or really by captured by bishop by Zhu here from this one. And also knight e7, and also bishop c3 without backwards, and also queen e8, and also queen d3. So it means putting by bad move by Zhu. So it means that's not one computer from this one. So the best moves there is rook to e1. So it means rook to e1 without determinations here, without here from this one, without. So it means determinations. So it means slightly goods for whites here from this one. So back there is queen d3 by Zhu here, and also queen g6 without queen to queen, so it means false move, X move here by dash move. So the one's computer is one is queen to f7, so it means triple attack. So triple by rooks and queens and rook, triple here from this one. So the back there is queen g6 without queen to queen, and avoided queen e2 by Zhu. And also queen h5, so it means bad move by dash move here. So the best moves there is also c6 here from this one. c6 without best moves here. If you capture this, pawn takes captured, and also knight takes c6 without neutralized, good examples here from this one. So back there is queen h5. So puzzle here, first puzzle, what do you think the realize is brilliant move sacrifice by Grandmaster Zhu Zhener? So while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much and congrats for everyone. Knight takes captured, brilliant move by Zhu. So it means sacrifice by this one. So it means knight takes e5 is brilliant move without sacrifice by Zhu. And also queen takes e2. Oh, what happened? Queen takes e2? So in that step, why don't we pawn takes sacrifice? Pawn takes sacrifice and queen takes captured. Oh, no more queen. So it means wins for white without goods for whites here from this one. So it means wins for white. So it means back there is queen takes captured without queen to queen, and rook takes queen, pawn takes knight. So without determinations, and also bishop takes captured without threat by rooks. Without threatening by rooks here, without determinations here from this one. And also rook takes sacrifice, so it means without sacrifice, so it means another bad move. So it means does not want computer from this sacrifice. So the one's computer is backward is rook to 6f7. So rook 6f7 by backward, so it means determinations. So back there is sacrifice rook takes f2. So it means without doubles, or maybe without here by two rooks here from this one. And decided is rook takes captured, rook takes, bishop takes rook. Ah, so it means without here doubles, so it means without doubles by bishop by Zhu, or maybe without double by bishop and knight by Deshmukh. So realize here from this one without determinations. So, so bishop takes f2, bishop takes captured by pawn, and also knight g6, d6, knight e5. So it without movement here, so it means without determinations, and also bishop d5 check, good move by Zhu, and also king f8, another good move b4 by Zhu. What a good precise move by Zhu, or maybe without move by push to b5, threatening by bishop, or maybe without pawns here from this one, and also b6 here, and also c5, captured, oh, b5, oh, without pushes. So it means without pushes here, without b5 pushes. Oh, what a good, excellent move by Zhu. Without threatening by, oh sorry, this is my tap hit this mouse. So it means b5 by Zhu, or maybe with a threat by bishop, threatening by bishops without determinations here. So it means, so what do you think if you capture this one? Capture this pawn takes c5. Or maybe here is one is bishop takes captured pawn. So realize here, so it means cannot move here by d7 because these are the knights here by targets. So without targets here from this one. So if you move by here, ah, d7, if you d7 here, or maybe without check. Oh, not about check here. So capture this one. So it means these are the good precise move by whites and black here from this one. So it means push b5 by Zhu. So it means without threatening by bishops here, and also bishop c8 and b6 by Zhu without strongest move, without push by b7 threatening by bishop, or maybe without promotes by queens here from this one, and also c4 by dash move, and also good move b7. What an excellent move by Zhu, or threatening by bishop. So it means without promotes queen from this one. And also bishop takes captured. And c3, or maybe without c3 by dash move. So what do you think? And bishop e4, good move by Zhu. So it means without cannot move here by push to c2 or without bishop. So it means determinations here. And also king e8, so without king e8 here, and also a5 without pushes, king d7 without threat by here, or maybe without bishop, and also a6, oh my god, upcoming here by a7, and upcoming promotes queen without determinations, and also bishop a7 without blocking by here side by blocks by dash move. So it means cannot move here by a7 without blocks from this one, and also bishop a5 without threat by c3 here from this one, and also king takes captured, bishop takes captured, oh my god, without threatening by here by knights here, without determinations here, and also g5, king force g2, knight d7, bishop f3, knight b8 without threat by pawns by a6, and also bishop e2 without defense, and also king e6, bishop b5, and h5 without doubles, and also bishop e1, h4 without move here, and also the last shot is g4. So it means without g4 here, so it means resigned by international master Dashmukh. So it means what a lose for blacks here. So the wins from this one, so it means Grandmaster Zhu Zhurner. So Zhu Zhurner would proceed by second place here from this one. The score her is 6 points. So it means 6 points here. So it means Grandmaster Zhu Zhurner second place, and third place by the National Master Divya Deshmukh on this one. So it means the next of this last from this day 9, and also have a Hampi Conero versus Nogil Salimova. So I will analyze here from this last game without in this Saturday. So I hope at this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luwagi17, aka IconMike17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updated of these next chess updates. Bye bye.